Getting your shower surround to seal right can be a total headache, especially when the usual silicone stuff just won't stick no matter what you do. Alright, so here's the deal with sealing a shower surround. First, always check what type of sealant the manufacturer recommends. Like you found out, some need a polymer-based sealant instead of regular silicone. Next, make sure the surface is super clean and dry before you apply anything. If there's old sealant or grime, scrape it off carefully and wipe down with rubbing alcohol or a good cleaner. Then, don't rush the job. Apply the sealant in one smooth bead and use a wet finger or tool to smooth it out so it sticks tight to both sides. Avoid using too much sealant because it can just peel off later. Less is more. If you're unsure, hit up the product's online instructions or forums where people share their tips for that exact brand or type of surround. Also, give the sealant plenty of time to cure, like 24 hours without getting it wet. Trust me, patience here saves a lot of redoing later. One of the biggest mistakes people make is using the wrong type of sealant, like regular silicone on a surface that needs a polymer sealant. It just won't bond properly and peels off fast. Fix that by double-checking the product specs or contacting customer service before buying sealant. Another common issue is not prepping the surface well enough. If there's leftover soap scum or dirt, the sealant won't stick right. Just clean thoroughly and dry it completely to avoid this. Lastly, rushing the curing time leads to weak seals that crack or peel. Always follow instructions on drying time and keep moisture away until fully set. BigHomeProjects.com is super handy because it helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who know their stuff and get the job done right. Plus, contractors get a steady stream of work from people who really need their expertise, making it a win-win for everyone involved.